Discord notifications are great. Phil, good evening, friend. How are you? Or better to say good day, I guess, is the day where you are. How is life? Give me 1 second. Let's just get going. Twitch chat. Noon there. Yeah, I figured. Yeah, it's 9:15, quarter past 9 here. I just put my kid to bed. Been to my Danish classes, school, been to work. And now I'm gonna do a bit of this with you guys. Was supposed to go to gym now, but I'm dead. I'm really tired right now. So I'm gonna go in the morning before work. Because I hate I think sticking to your plans is fundamental to not get, yeah. All right, to not bore you with that personal stuff, I have just flashed the initial drive that we worked with last night, and we're gonna... Here is my habibi. I'm gonna now plug in this thing and let's hope for the best. So give me 1 second. Alrighty, so now for the first time we're gonna try to use that backup that we saved yesterday, and hopefully we will be able to to use it to, yeah, you get what I mean. So I truly hope so. Last night after the stream, I felt a little bit like, nah, I don't know, I wanted to go to sleep and solve that, but I kind of didn't. So that kind of sucked a bit, right? So let's see where we get now. This is no longer called RP Backup. We need to get the new host name. This is now called, again, RP1. So let's give it a second to load. And you know what I was thinking? I was thinking like, I don't want to spend more money on this. I mean, I do, but I want to do it as a reward when we actually succeed, right? So what I was thinking is to buy some sort of a... what is it called? Yeah, like HDMI switch or something like that. I kind of have a hard time standing up every time, but I don't want to be spoiled on the other hand. Just like, oh really? You have to make 2 steps to your cluster? What a terrible life you have, Alex, right? So I don't want to be that guy either. But it's really, if I'm gonna work with this cluster, there has to be a better way than me plugging myself into, that thing there all the time. Cassie, my friend, good evening. Good to have you here, man. Yeah, Core, we're going to have to do that as well. I'll show you. Okay, great. So Raspberry Pi 1 is back. Now we need to kind of... put back stuff there, right? So... let me know if the music is too loud, please. I need to make sure that the music is... Let's actually... Yeah, let's put some chill music, piano, no copyright. Guys, I'm very tired, honestly. I need to kind of... But how the fuck do I know if we can... Headless installed. This is the cluster which is right next to me here. It's this one. And instead of me plugging myself every single time into a Raspberry Pi when I have to physically plug myself in, it would just be more convenient if I could set it up so I can also control it from this. Music is okay, all right. All right, so let's see how we do that, right? So now if we go to K3S and somewhere over here they had a backup, security upgrades, cluster data store, backup and restore, yeah. All right, so let's obviously go to the robot, and let's start. So I have backed up the K3S main masters node into a gzip, and I have saved the token. How do I now back it up, as I have bricked my main K3S node? Please, this must work. To recover, since you have the backup, nice, wow. I mean, this would be pretty awesome if this is the case, right? So let's give it a shot, right? So that's what they're saying. Okay, cool. So, so yeah, let's not use Ansible for this one. So let's just say apt and update and sudo apt upgrade, because we just formatted this thing right from scratch. Sure. So basically we're gonna do what this is telling us. Hey man, hey Alex, just do a normal install of K3S, stop the service if it started, replace the existing server DB with your backup, right? Exactly, pretty much, exactly. And also ensure that permissions are correct. And then blah blah blah. Added the arranger to node token file. Use the old token. This almost sounds too good to be true, but let's see. Let's give it a moment here. And then what we're really gonna have to read today is really enabling these. We'll see. I saw that they have snapshots and stuff like that. So I'm so happy that I failed with this, because I know I'm not going to fail again, because I had it throughout these streams since I started streaming again. I had it in my mind. It's like, man, let me just do a backup, you know. We're going to mess something up, and which is normal. We are learning, right? It would be abnormal if we don't do that. So we're going to have to set some... Oh, I see, Chicken. No problem, man. No problem. I'm just trying to be active on the platform, on my own platform. I really need to get back to this, and hopefully Doru, my friend, the designer, he's here. I really need to get back. I really want to build Programmer Network, man. I really, even though it's like not many people even check it out, there's a reason for that. I just need to finalize so many things and stuff. So, and fix some things, and yeah. All right, cool. So let's continue. Oh shit, we forgot. Of course, we can't do it until we do the. Let's run an Ansible for that, right? So we need to run the enable C groups, right? Memory groups. So let's do that. I completely forgot about that, right? Unfortunately. So let's go to Kubernetes repository, and let's say Ansible, but we're gonna say here L RP1 limit to this host RP, I believe that's how it's called, RP1. And then we're gonna do like, what was it? C groups, man. We have enable memory groups. Yeah, maybe it's RP_1. Yeah, that should be the host name, right? Yeah. All right, and while we are at it, we'll probably disable Wi-Fi and these things. We can do this just by running these things, so that's fine. We have kind of... I wonder, is it possible, this is just, it came to my mind, is it possible to write tests for Ansible playbooks? Is there some concept that Ansible, yeah, testing strategies, right? Many times people ask, how can I best integrate testing with Ansible playbooks? There's many options. Ansible is actually designed to be a fail-fast or system prepared. Therefore, it makes it easy to embed directly, blah, blah, blah. Okay, well, we'll take a look at this, but I'm genuinely like, because why did this come to my mind? Well, last night, right, we ran that Ansible thing that worked on 3 Raspberry Pis and failed on our main node, and then basically it bricked our main node, right? So, I mean, that is not cool, right? That is not very cool, is it? All right, let's run another one very quickly. So we're gonna do RP1. We're gonna say disable Wi-Fi. Bring down the interface, you know, make sure it's not turned back on again. So we have that one, the swap. Yeah, this is also wrong. This should be true, right? Not yes. Okay, that's weird. Okay. Yes. Disable swap. We'll see. Set up cube config. Yeah. But we'll do that later. Let me just quickly... Yeah, why does it say yes? It should be true, right? This is a Boolean field. There's no such thing as yes. What the heck? Wow. Or maybe that's some legacy stuff. True, yeah. Pac-Man, this is a good song. Okay, great. And then what else did we say we need to run here very quickly? Disable swap, right? We probably want to disable swap, right? So we're going to do that very quickly. Going to stop the service, disable the service. Success, rebooting the machine, beautiful. And then I think we have maybe one more. So that's what we did. Disable Bluetooth as well. Yeah, we definitely want to do that as well. Well, I actually need to... Give me 1 second. I just need to hear this again. So we did this, did it. This is what we gotta do. Is this like... I mean, yeah. So what's going on? Craft, good evening, friend. How are you? Okay, I mean, why are we waiting for why are we waiting so long? I mean, yeah, that's a bit disable memory. So that's all fine, right? That has kind of worked. So why? Yeah, okay, let's give it a second more. But I guess at this point we should be able to SSH in it, right? It should have booted by now, but we're still getting connection refused. Give the node 10 minutes to reboot. Jesus Christ, okay. Okay, we should probably update that, but should we kill this process now? I don't know. Because we obviously can't SSH now. Connection refused. Huh. Yeah, we're resetting it up now. Like hopefully in a second, hopefully it's gonna boot up now. And this is why. This is why, shit, man. I don't know, Phil, if you have any suggestions, but it would be nice if from here somehow. I'm setting up the cluster here. This is my Raspberry Pi cluster. It's a bare metal. So yeah, it would be nice basically that from this computer I can somehow control, like just switch to any of these devices via HDMI, because when shit like this happens, I need to see what's on the screen, right? And that's the problem. Right now we can't. Okay, now we're back in. It's just annoying. It would be, so I need to find a way to kind of, I have a bunch of screens, I mean, here, as you know, and right, so it'd be nice to somehow also use the same mouse and keyboard and switch to it, right? So some KVM switch or whatever for mouse and keyboard and HDMI switch. I'll figure it out. I know that there is a way. And I think last thing we don't need to do, but we can do, right? Because let's just reset. I need to do this because it's good to do a refresher on these things. So Ansible. So let's go and disable Bluetooth, right? That's another thing we wrote. Disable Bluetooth. I don't think that the reboot. Yeah, exactly. So I'll try to set something, because it's a little bit frustrating just standing up every time, plugging my other laptop into each individual thing. Yeah, why do we have to reboot every single time, man? Maybe I should update these. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, I think that was the last one, right? And then we have the script setup. We have some of these that actually bricked our Raspberry Pi last night. And this one made it fail. So this thing messed it up. So I mean, to some degree, you could say even it makes sense, because this does relate to modules which are used for drive encryption, but why would disabling it mess the drive up? That's beyond me. And why didn't it mess it up for other ones, right? So if I go to this one, RP2, it's fine. RP3 is fine. RP4 is fine, right? I don't know. That's the only shitty thing when you give up, as we did, is that you don't know. We don't know. And I really spent 3 hours trying to figure out. I mean, maybe I interrupted the SSH connect. Yeah, it could be. I don't know. It's just, it worked on all 3 of them except the main node. And now I'm even stressed out trying to run this again, thinking it's going to do the same. And then I don't need to spend now 20 minutes doing this stuff, right? Okay, well, either way, yeah, we don't know. But I don't mind failing. It's just failing when streaming and having limited time, that is not fun. So, you know. Literally could have been, because I don't see anything here like that should even in theory do that, right? I mean, we're literally not doing anything. We're just saying, hey, load this dencrypt module if it's not loaded. Ensure is configured to loaded boot. And ironically, right, we did this on all of them, right? We did this on every single one of the devices. So why did it work on the 3 of them? Because, right, if we go, let's say, SSH RP2, and then we go V, right? You can see the encrypt is here. So I don't think it even had anything to do with this. Maybe, like you said, maybe it's just something else got messed up. Because you can see that, I mean, every single one of them has this, right? Same with this guy, right? RP4, right? Here it is, right? So that's super weird. Maybe it was just like you say, probably actually it was just a bad luck or something, right? Where's the dude, where is the fucking thing, man? Where's my am I blind or what is happening? Where's the Ansible for K3S? Oh, that's why, exactly, because we don't really... never mind. All good. All right, now I think we can start installing this, and now it should, in fact, succeed. And then let's try the backup and hope for the best. It would be really nice. Okay, so now we're going to stop the service, right? Nice. We want to restore this. What? Why do I need to be a super user to change to cd into the directory? What the fuck? What the fuck, man? Wow. That is super weird. Super weird. Anyway. All right, and then we need to do this, right? So we need to... So we need to, shit. So this is our backup. So let's just rename this thing. I need to navigate somehow to it. K3S main node. So we need to somehow give me, what was it? I need to copy the backup from my computer to the RP1 via SSH. What was it? SCP, right? Yeah, exactly. It's just it was, yeah, let's just, exactly. All right. So it's gonna be a little bit, wait, I need to navigate, because now I'm in a Windows Linux subsystem, right? In VLS, right? So what would that be? Like maybe, yeah, right? Yeah, I think you're right. And then users, I suppose. Yeah, AGJS. No, not quite, right? Nah. It's not all users. It's... No. Yeah, it's this one. Yeah. Cool. All right. Permission denied. How can I... Yeah, but that's permission denied on the actual Raspberry Pi, so it seems there's some... Yeah. Copy to temp. Ah, you mean, yeah, I see what you're saying. Copy the to temp on the... Yeah, sure. That's smart, yeah. What the fuck, man? Ah, never mind. Sorry. My bad. All right. All right, let's do this, right? Oh shit, my bad, sorry. Ah, come on. I was... All right, cool. Oh, fucking nano. Okay, never mind. It's fine. It's okay. I'm used to Vim. Is it maybe permissions? I wonder. So how can I check the... How can we like... So root owns everything. I guess that is how it should be, I suppose. But let's just do this, yeah. I don't know how to fix this, man. That's why I said too good to be true. That's why I said too good to be true. Oh, there's the orphan process. Okay. No process found. What the hell happened there? Okay. All right, so it seems that there's still some things running that we actually haven't cleaned up. Oh shit, I thought that. I think I did. I think I did remove them, yeah. And we can try that again, right? But I'm pretty sure that I did. Okay, let's see. Vlad. Good evening, Vlad. Okay. Yeah, let's see. Good content. Device busy or whatever. All right, let's just follow this up. So yeah, I'm thinking the same. Give me just 1 second. Common errors you could. Yeah, because yeah, I'm also thinking about just giving it a reboot. Numinex, my friend, good evening. Yeah, I'm thinking the same. I'm thinking to do the same, yeah. Yeah, let's try that. How's life, Numinex? And let me see what a craft sent in the chat. Where is it? Where is my chat? Yeah. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Yeah, this is really cheap. This is really, really cheap. But this has to be DE, right? This cannot be the US. I don't. Yeah, it's, yeah. 4K. Yeah, something like this, right? In theory, yeah. Yeah, I think so. We'll research. Let's add this to basket. All right, let's see if this is running or something. Okay, what if we try the... Yeah, so there's nothing there. What if we try starting it now? Figured while I'm struggling with a problem idea as well, and I could go, yeah. That's why we love this job, right? I mean, if we weren't struggling with this, it would be, you know, yeah, it would, yeah. That's why we love it, right? That's why we love it. You know how the saying goes, the smooth seas do not make a sailor. So when you struggle, you learn. That is why we're doing it. System. Okay. So you can see it, now it works, right? All right, cool. Okay, so let's say stop again, right? Cool. We stop it. And what did we do? We were in the mount directory, right? What did I do? Something like tar or whatever. What was it? Gzip. Yeah, this thing. XZF. Yeah, exactly. So this is what we got to do. That's what we got to do. Okay. What? Cannot open. What the fuck? Why? Oh, is it removed from here? Yeah, it's removed from there. What? Ah, oh, come on, dude. Are you kidding me? All right, so now we did it, right? Okay, now it seems that it started. Status. All right, so now it seems to be running. Permission denied. Is it a permission issue suddenly? Seems to be permissions, right? Give me 1 second. Luckily, I wrote all these documents. Oh shit, man, we didn't update the crap. We forgot one thing, right? We forgot to update the token, right? No. That's not it, right? Well, there's also that. Yes, you're right. But we forgot to do this, right? This, I believe, is an old token. Let's compare that. Yeah, it's definitely an old token, right? Exactly, right? And now it fails. As soon as I update the token, it fails. As soon as I update the token, it fails. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. It's okay. Good evening. It's fine. It's fine. It's all right. Give me a second. So let's do this again. It's not okay. I mean, yeah, but let me talk to myself for a second. It's fine. Is it fine? It's probably not fine. It's gonna start that, right? Come on. All right. So if we do the status, right? Status, it's up and running. So we're gonna stop it now. We're gonna copy this thing again. No, we'll figure it out. I mean, we're learning as we go every second of the way, so it's fine. So if we go now here and we say yeah, we do this, right? Yep. Do that, right? We nuke this. Oops. We nuke this fella. And it's, yeah. No. Yeah, it doesn't like it, fellas. Something doesn't like, it's almost like the key is not matching or something. Cluster reset. Yeah, but this is when it comes to snapshots, right? So this is what I did yesterday, right? We did this. So it's just unsure. All right, I have maybe an idea. Give me a second. Bear with me. So look at this now. So what I'm going to do, maybe. Let's try one thing. I mean, we have to anyway, right? Because it doesn't work, so it's fine. Okay, so we do this, okay? Then we say curl, right? sh, okay? But then we say K3S token is this. Mm-hmm. Mm. Nope. Now maybe we should restart some of the nodes, right? So let's try. I don't actually know. Okay, let me actually. Still, I see a problem that we can't still access the our Longhorn, right? So I don't know if we have to set up Longhorn and everything now again from scratch, probably. Or at least the Longhorn, we can't access it anymore here, right? What? Outplayed. Good evening, buddy.